Hi everyone there, you're most welcome to Uganda National Association of Student Nurses and Midwives online voting application. This is an illustration video guiding users how to use this application to vote online. These are the requirements for you to be able to use this application to vote online in this 2021 NEC UNESNAM elections. One, you must have a computing device, that is a smartphone, laptop, tablet or desktop or any other. And also that computing device of yours must be connected to internet. And you should also have a system link. This system link will be given to you by the UNESNAM Electoral Commission. And you should also be having your email address. I mean the one you submitted to UNESNAM Electoral Commission. So when you click this link which will be sent to you by UNESNAM Electoral Commission, or if you paste this link in the URL bar and then you hit the button of enter or click on enter, then this is what appears. So this is what will appear. A page that requires you to log in. Click the sign in, and then after clicking sign in, you will be required to enter your email address. I mean this email address, the one you submitted to UNESNAM Electoral Commission. This is the link that you are required to, this is the email you are required to use here, and then click next. After clicking next, type in your password. This is my password. This is my password. Then click next. After clicking next, then you are signed in. Here you are able now to access the system. One, please type that email address again here. Make sure that that is the same email address that you type in here. If you type in a wrong one, believe you me, your vote will not be counted. Then in this next step, you must identify yourself. Type in your name, and then the name of your school. This is the name of the school. I mean the school which was submitted, school where you belong, and that one that was submitted to UNESNAM Electoral Commission. Forum School School of Nursing, and this, yes, this is the school. After that, click next for you to be able to now access the voting page. The first you're going to find, you find the candidates for the office of presidency and the vice presidency, UNESNAM NEC 2021-2022. Choose the candidate of your choice. Please, you can choose either this or this, any candidate of your choice. Then go, the next office is the office of the vice president. Also choose the one of your choice, any you wish. Then click next. You will be able to now get to the office of the speaker. Then also choose the candidate of your choice. Proceed to the deputy speaker. Choose the candidate of your choice. Then after that, you go to the next office, and that is the office of the secretaries. Then you will find the general secretary position. Choose the one of your choice of these ones. Then the office of the deputy general secretary. Elect the candidate of your choice. The finance secretary. Elect the candidate of your choice. Then publicity secretary. Elect the candidate of your choice. Either this candidate or this candidate or this candidate, any candidate of your choice. Then proceed to the deputy publicity secretary. Elect the candidate of your choice. Please, you choose only one. Then click next, and you must make sure that you vote in each position you vote, you elect a candidate of your choice. Here, the office of the regional coordinators, elect the regional coordinator of your choice. We are starting with the Eastern. The second one is the Northern. Elect the candidate of your choice in the Northern region. Elect the candidate of your choice in the Western region. Elect the candidate of your choice in Central region. And after this, ladies and gentlemen, you need to click submit. If you don't click submit, then your votes for the above candidates or for the candidates that you have elected will not be received by UNESNAM Electoral Commission. So make sure that after choosing all the candidates of your choice, you click submit button, and that is the end of it all. Thank you so much. But still, even after voting, please click see previous responses so that you are able to see the ongoing election. So you are able to see how your candidates have performed, not only the ones that you have voted, your vote that you've cast, but also the votes of the others. Please, thank you so much. I hope this application is so simple for everyone to use, and you are not going to regret. You're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much.